So hello guys, welcome back to another video, and this video is presented to you by Cryptoscape. So guys, in today's video we'll be discussing about the dual investment feature of Binance. And I guess hardly 5-10 good videos are made on this topic. That's why I decided to make a video on this topic, because people are covering some uh, theoretical topics more, but they aren't covering the way people can get passive income. And not many people know about it until they try it. So I'll try to explain you before you try it. So guys, make sure before I start the video, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Alright? I'm waiting for 5-10 seconds for you to do all this needful. Then I'll start the video. Guys, if I'm putting so much efforts for you, you should also just put one like. Alright guys, I hope you would have marked your attendance. Now let's start with the video. So first of all, you have to go under the Earn tab. It's available on mobile as well as on laptop. The Earn tab is available on Binance. So you go on the Earn tab, you click on dual investment. Let it load. Let it load. So then you have to select a token on which you have to do dual investment. Guys, before I tell you what is dual investment, how you can do it, it's subject to market risk, but comparatively it's less risky. Is comparatively really less risky, and I have never suffered loss in this. That's all I can say. But you should always do your research, and it's not a financial advice. So suppose I want to do dual investment in ETH. I'll select ETH here. Alright. Now there are two options. Either you can deposit USDT or BUSD or deposit ETH. Alright. These are the two options. So suppose you are depositing ETH. I'm telling you this scenario, you are depositing ETH. Basically, if you deposit ETH, the current price is $1351. Alright. Then you do a dual investment that if the price goes above a certain range, your ETH will be sold. If not, you will get a return. So suppose, let me tell you, explain you from here. Suppose the ETH price crosses $1400. Your ETH will be sold at $1400. Alright. If it doesn't cross $1400, you will get an API of 246%. Now let me show you with an example. Let me open it. Click on subscribe. Now suppose I am depositing 1 ETH. Just see, if the price is above $1400, I'll get $1435, $1437. Alright. My ETH will be automatically sold. If the price is below $1400, I'll get 1.026 ETH. That's approximately 2.5% of return. You are getting 2.5% of return within 4 days. Yeah guys, I forgot to tell you about the strike date. So as you can see, the settlement date is here. On 17, the price of ETH is above 1400 or below 1400. That's the question. So here is one is 1400, then it's 1450. So it's your choice. If you do on 1450, it will be comparatively less risky, but you'll get less API. So as you can see, it's comparatively less risky. If you have already bought ETH on suppose $1360, so it's better you do the dual investment, right? So it's really profitable. Now suppose I'm telling you another scenario. If you deposit USDT or BUSD, so let's come to USDT. If you are depositing USDT, so we are seeing the earliest settlement date. There are a lot of settlement date on which you can do, but I'm just for your information, I'm showing you the earliest settlement date. So now on, if you deposit USDT, basically it's for buying low. So suppose on the settlement date, that is on 17th, if the price of USDT is if the price of ETH is below $1,300, then automatically your your USDT will get sold and ETH will be bought. As simple as that. Now let me show you with an example. So suppose you have deposited 1300 USDT. So as you can see, if the price is above $1,300, you'll receive $40. Now you can contemplate as approximately 4% return, I guess. Yeah, 1300 on 3%. You are getting approximately 3% return, as you can see, if the price is above $1,300. Now what if it's below $1,300? You'll get this much ETH. Now this is dual investment. So now I'll give you my advice. What I do to be on a safer side. As you can see here, the return is 117%, alright, of $1,150. It's highly unlikely it will go below $1,150 till 17. Within 4 days, it will go below $1,150. It's really unlikely, right? So I play on this leverage. And if I directly stake ETH, if I directly stake USDT, I'll get just 10% return. But here I am getting 170%, 117% APY. So it's much more profitable, but you have to be calculative. You can't do it on 1300. That's really risky. I don't think anyone can do it. Suppose, for example, let it be even $1,150. What if you do it at $950? Just imagine here. You're still getting 44% APY. What's the APY you get at staking USDT? Now, do you believe price of ETH will go below $950 within 4 days? This is the benefit of dual investment, and I'm personally doing it a lot. So that's why I thought I'll make a video on this. Now I hope I cleared your doubts on this. Also, there are a lot of dual investment options available here. Let me show you. Here's BTC, ETH, BNB, Sol, Matic, ADA, DOT, PCH, AVAX, FTM, Algo, Atom, Near. So many tokens are available now. So guys, you should definitely try it. Of course, you should always do your research, but still, it's worthwhile now. That's what I feel. It's not future option. It's comparatively less risky and it's giving more APY. Just don't be just don't take too much risk on this. Alright guys, that's all I recommend. So that's it for this video, and I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, make sure to drop this emoji, alright? But click on it only one time, alright? Don't click on it 2 times. And subscribe, comment, share it with all your friends, guys. And see you in another video very soon. Thanks a lot for sticking to the video.